Today we're going to talk about fractional reserve banking.
Ooh, I love fractions.
Not this kind. Fractional reserve banking means banks only keep a fraction of their deposits as reserves and lend out the rest. This creates more money in circulation than there would be otherwise.
Can you give me an example where, say, you're the bank and I'm, well, me, and I deposit, say, $100?
All right then. Let's say as a bank I take that $100 and keep a fraction reserve, perhaps 10% or $10.
So I give you my $100 and you only keep 10?
Correct. Then I lend out the remaining $90 to Jerome, who goes and buys something from Janet, who then takes those $90 and deposits them into her bank.
Oh, don't tell me Janet's bank only keeps a fraction in reserve too.
Prepare to be disappointed. Janet's bank keeps $0 in reserves, lends out the entire $90, and this cycle goes on and on forever, compounding the creation of money out of thin air.
Zero? But that's ludicrous. How is a bank that's supposed to hold money only required to hold 0%?
Because in 2020, the United States Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, set the reserve requirement at 0%.
So they take my money and lend practically all of it out?
No need to be angry, they pay you 0.01% interest that you are also taxed on.
But that's not even enough to cover my overdraft fees. This is so
Fucked indeed. And that's where Bitcoin comes in.
How does Bitcoin help with this?
With Bitcoin, as long as it's not on an exchange and is in your self-custody, your money is actually yours. It's like gold in a vault, except digital and actually easy to transact with, or cash under your mattress, except it's scarce and the government can't just decide to print more.
You know, I just wish I would have understood all of this sooner, because I was listening to this Jim Cramer figure, and I don't understand how one person can be so wrong all the time!
It's almost as if the talking heads are mere pawns put forward by the regime to lull you into a false sense of security while the world around you burns.
I'm sorry, I just don't have it in me to talk about climate change today. But hang on. If the banks don't have our money, what happens if all of us decide to withdraw our money at the same time?
Bank runs, coming next episode.